Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is probably 27th October today. Uh, काफ़ी देर बाद याद आया मुझे काफ़ी देर बाद I've got an opportunity to like opportunity मिली है भाई to create a video, be it of ranting, be it of summarizing. Summarizing, is it? No. 2 months are still left to summarize. And काफ़ी time बाद, like, I feel like I can tell something because I was not in a I didn't have the mental bandwidth to share. As a matter of fact, I didn't have the mental bandwidth to accept. Forget about sharing. थोड़ा सा level of comfortable you need to be to share, and that was clearly not the case uh, throughout. So, yeah, yeah, genuinely, 2025 was much needed, and as much foggy as it was, and the mist which was covering it. No, it's far. Matlab, I know that this year was needed in a lot of ways, and there are almost like there can be I can give at present 50 valid reasons for this year to not have been there. Uh, in terms of my growth, but also to be there in terms of my growth, because growth just growth is not a single uh, growth is not one dimensional that you need to growth is not like growth does not just require consistency, persistence, hard work. It also requires adequate breaks and to rejuvenate and to to just get in touch, get back in touch with yourself. As maybe I'm saying in other words burnout, but it does require far more than the hustle culture I learned from YouTube in 2022. Because you see, yeah, a hustle is very good, it helped me, but it also, like, there is a thin line between hustle and toxicity. So when that line vanishes and that uh, semi-permeable wall is it's like it vanishes, then things start getting to your head. So also adequate breaks, getting back in touch with yourself, doing things which replenish your state of joy, uh, they do matter, and which make you feel alive, you know. And by no means I'm saying that hustle, or let's say studying, or whatever work you are doing, uh, makes makes you less in touch with you. No, it is a part, but it is not life. It is a part of life, but not life. Life is bigger. I know this me is saying this, and there might be another me in future or a past which has said, and matlab, there are a lot of contradictory things which even I in future can say or can feel and can realize, and I don't know a lot of things again, but yeah, but you also need to get in touch with yourself. That is also important. uh, pe- uh, Nobody else would tell this to you, right? You are your best friend, and you are the only person who knows yourself inside out, like who knows you inside out. Nobody else would know how you feel because I don't know if it is making any sense, but yeah. And probably And probably like you need to get in touch with yourself, and you need to resolve the issues. You need to resolve the issues which are there in your own head and detangle the knots, because I would never say this again that knots cannot be detangled. They can be, but you need the right person. And uh, this is very niche and very repetitive, but it has happened, so I'm saying that if you have to put in effort, then that is not good. If it is something that you don't even realize that it is there, like you don't realize कि it is there, you don't feel कि कुछ हो रहा है, it is such a normal thing, and it is something that is like passing without creating any disturbance in your head and heart. Like, you know that, right? So no, you don't know, so I'm telling. So if it is not something that is creating disturbance like that, uh, then that is the right test thing. And jab tak till the time you don't find that, you should not settle for anything less, because at the end it is you, and you need to be true to yourself for your well-being, because if you can also not be true to yourself, then you cannot expect the world anything from the world. Screw the world, okay? The world is the last place anybody should be bothered about, last thing anybody should be bothered about. uh, People don't come to 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 be with you um, in times of distress. They don't give a fuck to anything happening in your life, and they just have their opinions, and they enforce their opinions on people, and they like tell, and they want to make others feel less about themselves. Because see, if this is one person and this is the other person, right, like if this is one person and this is the other person, then how can this person tell this person ki you are smaller than me? They are not able to rise, so they will try verbally. And it is proven that if a lie is told multiple times, then even though you know that it is a lie, your conscious knows that it is a lie, conscious self knows that it is a lie, but they still start believing it if the lie is told multiple times and with conviction. So, and if the lie is told, let's say ki you are small, you are small, you are small, you're of no use, you are worthless, you are just wasting time, resources, you're you don't even deserve to live, let's say. So then this is obviously small finger, but the small finger made the longer finger feel that way, that कि यू आर ऑफ नो यूज़, टू एन एक्सटेंट कि वो छोटी होने लग गई, उसने अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ जब यहाँ गिरा ली, तो अब ये नेचुरली बढ़ी है। इसमें इतनी पावर नहीं थी टू हैव आउटग्रोन दैट फिंगर, बट बाय जस्ट कॉन्स्टेंटली रिपीटिंग negative ill, it succeeded in its plan. So my idea is that lies, if repeated with conviction, can and will degrade your self-worth and your self-image and how you talk to yourself. And the moment you start talking negative to yourself, that is it, that is all they want. So don't talk negative. People are already there, people are enough to talk crap about you, and to put you down, and criticize you. And like that is a constant check also. Like, I'm not just saying कि people don't let it affect you, of course don't let it affect you, but at times there can be, very rarely, very, very, very rarely, but at times there can be constructive criticism. The destructive criticism screw that, but do process, like it keeps you in check with yourself ki okay, maybe I'm going in a direction which can be harmful for me in future. So you need to like align, you need to align कि okay ये मेरे लिए beneficial है या नहीं है. At the end again you need to be true to yourself because आप ही के भले की बात है, and nobody else would be bothered about it, right? So yeah, that is it. That is one thing, and one thing is that I'm like, okay, I knew this, but still कितनी surprising बात है यार. Like मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा in the way now I'm thinking, like okay बहुत किडिश हो सकती है for a lot या फिर for everybody, but the thing is कि you enter MBBS में there are 19 subjects. मुझे नहीं पता बट मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 19 के 19 में तुम एमडी कर सकते हो. मान लो तुमने एमडी करी, लगाओ गैस्ट्रो में, नहीं गैस्ट्रो में तो होती भी नहीं. अब मान लो तुमने एमडी करी, मान लो कार्डियोलॉजी में, नहीं मुझे कुछ अच्छी ब्रांच चुननी चाहिए. आई मीन विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू कार्डियोलॉजी, जिसका मुझे नॉलेज हो, मुझे वैसी ब्रांच चुननी चाहिए. पीड्स में करी, चलो पीड्स में कर ली. या पीड्स में करने के बाद तुम डीएम कितने में कर सकते हो, ऑन्कोलॉजी कर सकते हो. जो तुमने मेडिसिन में किया वो तुम डीएम यू कैन डू दैट इन पीड्स ऑल्सो. बस उसमें तुम बच्चों का हल्के से कैटेगराइज हो गया, बट स्टिल वेराइटी. एंड जो पीड्स ऑन्कोलॉजी है, क्या वो पीड्स सर्जरी हो सकता है? द आंसर वुड होपफुली भी नहीं. कि ऑन्कोलॉजी वाले द वन हु हैज डन डीएम इन ऑन्कोलॉजी, पीड्स ऑन्कोलॉजी, they cannot probably do the probably okay, they cannot hopefully, like according to my limited knowledge, do uh, do surgery in peds or peds, like बच्चों के pediatrics. So यार इट इज़ सो फैसिनेटिंग कि पहले एमबीबीएस, फिर उसके ब्रांच बाइफिकेशंस, फिर उनकी फर्दर बाइफिकेशंस, एंड गॉड फॉरबिड द मोमेंट यू गो टू अ रॉन्ग स्पेशलिस्ट. Here I don't know why, but I'm talking about, let's say, uh, okay, I need time to think. Uh, Anything like what can I say? हाँ चलो, ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी. ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजी में, ऑप्था में लाइक यू सी, एक तो वो लेज़र आय वाला होता है, एक मतलब एक सर्जरी हो गया, एक मेडिसिन हो गया. मतलब ऑप्था में भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, मैं जितना मुझे याद है यार, अगेन इन माई लिमिटेड नॉलेज, वेरी एक्सट्रीमली लिमिटेड नॉलेज, जितना भी आई रिमेंबर, जितना भी आई रिमेंबर, आई गेस था. तो लाइक जैसे मान लो, लेट्स से, ओके वेरी ऑफ टॉपिक, नॉट ऑफ टॉपिक, बट आई डोंट नो, लाइक I don't know if anybody has talked about it या नहीं, but let's say psychiatry. Okay, so there is, how many specializations are there? There is child and adolescent psychiatry, there is geriatric psychiatry, there is non-invasive brains stimulating, non-invasive something psychiatry, DM in, I mean PDF, postdoctoral fellowship. There is uh, trauma, trauma and post-traumatic one, and then there is, you see, right, the moment you CBT, the moment you go to a person who has specialized in, let's say, geriatric, you're screwed by. Like okay, it'll take time to realize, but you're screwed, completely screwed, because geriatric one cannot solve traumas, and the one who has done specialization in trauma informed care and stuff, they cannot tackle or deal with child and adolescent psychiatry well. and and I can like and like like one specialization cannot subspecialization cannot treat the other one. And yeah, it might sound kiddish again because SSRIs are SSRIs, and child and adolescent too. I know people would agree कि autism and stuff will be autistic, like autism came in light thanks to YouTube, yeah, internet. But apart from that also, it is not uh, like child and adolescent psychiatry does involve a lot of things, uh, and one specialization cannot tackle, like geriatric. Let's say geriatric है, तो why am I feeling that I am I am pursuing MBBS though? But yeah, okay, fine. Let's say geriatrics है, तो या geriatrics वाले के पास तुम जाओगे, and मतलब I've seen this I've heard of it, from my friends for the relatives, that I've seen this, that the geriatric one, they don't just have the geriatric patients. They do have patients from, like, obviously, of course, um, um, middle age, or let's say kids, teenagers. So then ऑफ कोर्स देन वी कैन से कि स्पेशलाइजेशन तो उसमें है, लेकिन वो उनको टेकल कर सकते हैं आराम से, ट्रू। बट जैसे चाइल्ड एंड एडोलेसेंट वाला चाइल्ड या एडोलेसेंट को कर सकता, क्या वो वैसे कर सकते हैं? नहीं। बट क्या वुड वी एग्री? नहीं, क्योंकि हम कहते हैं कि साइकेट्रिस्ट ही कम है। अब साइकेट्रिस्ट या फिर डॉक्टर्स इन जनरल इन इंडिया आर टू लेस। Okay, why? Why am I talking about this? Do I know? No, I don't know why am I talking about this. But yeah, doctors are less in India, and I really wonder what happens in villages. Why? Uh, I cannot think of villages. Like you need to go to uh, endocrinology. You can go, like, in a city, tier 1 or tier 2, endocrinology go, ENT go, ortho go, optha go, cardio go. So point is कि dermatology go, but यार villages, what would happen in villages? उधर क्या ही होता होगा? I really, okay, that is scary. The thought itself is scary. What would happen in villages and how those people would deal with. They just would, मतलब मे बी दैट इज़ वाई दे से ना कि एक MBBS डॉक्टर कभी भूखा नहीं मर सकता, क्योंकि अगर आप विलेजेस में चले गए तो यू हैव पॉपुलेशन टू केटर, एंड उधर कोई स्पेशलिटी तो नहीं ही देखता है एज फार एज आई नो। हाँ, देखेंगे, बट यू वुड बी ऑल्सो चार्जिंग समथिंग अफोर्डेबल, बिकॉज नॉट मेनी कैन afford uh, expensive, you know, um, expensive treatments, and you would, matlab, one can have really good earning, uh, despite of charging reasonably. And yeah, and the other thing which I would want to talk or love to talk, uh, I was hearing something, due to which I just realized that I can. Yeah, so I was hearing something, that uh, um, this podcast of Rebel Kid with a respected sir, which I'm sorry, but I don't know the name of him, and they said that traveling traveling makes you learn a lot of things about yourself. Like, you discover yourself in the process of traveling, and you learn that there is free will, and there is a thing ki meri marzi, which is very true, and I don't get it because I've not traveled at all in my life. But there is another thing, which is movies. It gives, like, of course, because I don't have money, which is why I'm saying, like, my own money. But यार 1500 की प्राइम सब्सक्रिप्शन खरीदो एंड यू आर गुड टू गो यार. मतलब you can see the world sitting on the laptop and just on your table and chair or bed, and you will get to know कि कितनी एक वर्ल्ड के अंदर कितने फर्दर वर्ल्ड्स हैं. लाइक MBBS के अंदर जैसे कितनी वेराइटी है. ओके, मैं उससे वहाँ पे आई एम ट्राइंग टू जस्ट कोरिलेटेड, बट how many worlds are there, and how limited your thought process or perspectives are. I mean, perspectives are limited. What? No, I mean that how limited your view is currently. Like आप सिर्फ इतना देख रहे हो. There is a lot to ऊपर नीचे. मतलब it is multi-dimensional, not 1D. So there is so much to to see, yeah, to learn, to for good or for bad. Like there are very heavy movies, there are very light movies, there are movies that teach you, there are movies that make you aware ki how much is enough for you and you don't need to be greedy. And like there are movies which force you to introspect, say, reflect on things. And literally in my dreams now movies come so clearly. uh, One can gauge that how much movies I am into. So yeah, experience is way too good. First is traveling, and second, if not traveling, traveling is not possible, as in my case, because of money, bhai. But अगर वो नहीं हो सकता तो then movies for sure would be a good escape. And my mood also became better by traveling in my own city a lot. अब यूं ही खरीदने चलेगा कुछ भाई. अब now I cannot say that that was a waste purchase. Yeah, waste purchases, they were needed. Yeah, I should not question my decisions. um like, yeah, um, it was good experience. I felt alive. स्कूटर पे जाओ, हवा फील करो. ऐसा मतलब लाइक इन कार ऑल्सो इट इज़ वेरी गुड, बट car does not give you that feeling. I don't know. A scooter is a bit better than car. At times, car is also better because of cold, and or because of very hot weather. Because then you're sweating insanely. So, and and like you should book the home. I mean, okay, you should, if any one person is watching, like you should do things that make you happy. You need to get in touch with yourself. And I was hearing this podcast of Ranveer Alabadia sir, should I say? I don't know. Ranveer Alabadia and one bodybuilder, one gym person who has some injury at the back of the neck due to malish wala. And उनके podcast में I heard of somebody, a psychologist. They had named the psychologist, and I don't remember the name. I need to rewatch it, or just that particular part. Um, that psychologist lady told an exercise कि close your eyes and visualize things, because when you close एक external stimuli 5 sense organs में से आपका is closed, तो you are able to reach, like you are in, from directing your energy into outside world, you are directing it, channelizing it inside. You are, like, you are disconnected partially from the world, external world, outer world. So yeah, so that is one thing. And then there was some exercise. So which did I do? No. Did I hear about it? Heard about it? Yeah, I read. And would I do? Probably, अगर मिल गया, अगर ढूंढना याद रहा तो. And ठीक है. And movies, movies I'll recommend in the other video. Uh, and what have I done? Things. I'm just looking around for ideas. And for the longest time, me believed कि I mean, like this, पढ़ाई, ये पढ़ाई, यहाँ पढ़ाई, वैल्यूज़ पढ़ाई. तुम पढ़ाई को कितनी स्ट्रेस देते हो, तुम पढ़ाई पे कितना ज़ोर मार रहे हो, तुम्हारे मार्क्स कितने आ रहे हैं. भाई मेरी एवरीथिंग रिवॉल्व्ड अराउंड पढ़ाई. माई वर्ल्ड वॉज पढ़ाई भाई. मेरे मार्क्स भी नहीं है इतने, बट seriously. So well, like this happens when you are in distress, or slash when you are in constant distress, and your body is in fight or flight mode or fright mode. Then even if you put all your energy into one thing, then also, yeah, you may get results, of course, but मतलब you need to, पूरी आपकी 100% एनर्जी उस चीज़ पे जानी चाहिए. तो 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 ही यू कैन गेट द डिज़ायर्ड रिजल्ट्स. तो to reach that level, you need to, I mean, as I have said, I'm saying it the third time, that आपकी 100% एनर्जी. तो किसी और चीज़ का तो टाइम ही नहीं होता. लाइक अगर मैंने पूरा वर्ल्ड ही पढ़ाई बनाया, उसके बाद आई गेट समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट. अगर मैंने उसमें भी डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया खुद को, तो फिर तो आई एम स्क्रूड. तो विच इज़ वाई I channelize my energy in studies, but still, matlab, the distress, I said, plays with you, and you do realize, like, deep down, but you don't know what to do. So you don't know what to do. So, and you give your best still, obviously. You are true to yourself. So and you see one day that how far you have come. मतलब आप तो एक साल में भी आप कहीं के कहीं पे हो मेंटली, थॉट प्रोसेस में. मतलब वो जो एज 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 क्रैप, that is increasing by 1 year, like every year. वाह, 1 year every year. तो वो आप कर रहे हो, एंड लाइक आपका, हाँ, थॉट प्रोसेस जो मेरा 2000 लेट से 21 में था, वो तो भगवान किसी को ना दे, बट जो था वो मेरा 22 में बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. मेरा 22 में तो कहीं और ही लेवल पे था. लाइक सम लाला लाला लैंड, एंड नहीं, लाला लैंड मैंने मूवी नहीं देखी अभी. वाह. सम लाला लैंड. एंड 2023 में जो मैंने डिस्कवर किया थोड़ा बहुत, वो बहुत अलग था 2020 से, 21 से, 22 से, 23. मतलब बहुत अलग था. 24 तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अलग था, लाइक बहुत ही ज़्यादा अलग था। एंड आई हैव नो क्लू कि क्या, आई मीन ओके, बट आई मीन या व्हेन आई सी नाउ, 2016 वाला मी वॉज कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट। आई डोंट रिमेंबर टू बी ऑनेस्ट द partial memory that I have of 2016. I was very happy go lucky person, not bothered. I mean, seriously not bothered. I was in, वो तो बचपना ही है, चलो. That was me in sixth, right? 2016. So, and 2017 वाला me was in a completely different state. Pooja ma'am and physics and Maninder ma'am for bio and chem, and God knows what I wrote. My writing was, I was like, I was drawing curvy lines, bhai, instead of writing question answer. I was like, भाई मेरा हाथ दुख रहा है. I mean, मैंने क्या किया है मुझे भी नहीं पता. I partially again I remember, शायद है. एक तो फाइबर टू फैब्रिक्स था 6th 7th 8th में. एक एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन अनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन था. ऑफ वॉट आई रिमेंबर, क्वेश्चन तो था ये एज 7th की साइंस में, बायो में. एंड आई गॉड नोज भाई, आई ड्रू curvy line instead of writing question answers. I was so fed up of writing कि यार तुम स्मार्ट बोर्ड पे रिमोट से कर ही जा रहे हो, उसके बाद क्या, what do you expect from us? तो आई वॉज वेरी टायर्ड ऑफ इट, लाइक. और वो तो फिर अगर मैंने कर्वी लाइन्स ड्रॉ करी है तो एग्ज़ाम से पहले मैंने लर्न क्या करना है, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है क्या लिखा है. तो वो हो गया 7th. इतनी ही 7th याद है मुझे, और जीके का एग्ज़ाम याद है. एंड दैट इज़ इट. आई वॉज हेटिंग जीके एट दैट टाइम, हेटिंग जीके. 8th में भाई मौली जी एंटर्ड एंड stuff got a lot better. Life was best. And marks were best. I can't believe I scored marks, which I did. In 8th तो भाई 8th was unbelievable. मतलब अभी नहीं मुझे मेरे आई मीन डिसबिलीव कि 8th में मेरे ऐसे मार्क्स आए हैं आफ्टर seeing the mark sheet, because I have answer sheets of 8th. So, and 9th में मेरे पास 9th की भी है मार्क शीट, आई मीन आंसर शीट्स. 9th के तो मुझे याद ही हैं, चलो पता नहीं क्यों याद है, बट याद है मुझे सारे 9th के याद है, क्योंकि 9th वॉज द लास्ट ईयर. 2019-20, तो वो कोविड से पहले का ईयर था, तो मुझे वो सारा ही याद है क्योंकि वही चीज़ फ्रेश है मेरे दिमाग में. क्योंकि 2020 में कोविड आया था, तो कोविड में मुझे अभी भी थोड़ा बहुत याद है दैट it was April assignments, it was May part 1 assignments, it was May part 2 assignments, it was then then online classes started. Then firstly I had that Redmi Note 3 phone, and which was horrible and hanging, and I somehow did the classes. And then I got the Redmi Note 8 phone, which I had up till last year, and that was very good, at least in 2022. भाई था ही ऑब्वियसली. तो उस पर क्लासेस करी, उस पर असाइनमेंट्स करें, ट्यूशन करी भाई. उस पर तो बहुत, मतलब वो बहुत यूज हुआ है भाई. एंड मतलब वो हुआ 2020 में, एंड आई फर्स्ट टाइम डिस्कवर्ड द जॉय, लाइक जॉय भी नहीं, मुझे तो पता ही तब चला कि पढ़ते कैसे हैं, क्योंकि उससे पहले तो हमने पढ़ाई की नहीं. उससे पहले तो प्रिपरेटरी हॉलीडेज़ में लर्न करके, जय माता दी, जो मैंने की है. एंड नाउ आई रियलाइज़ कि तब भी यार ठीक मार्क्स आ जाते थे, मतलब 2 दिन में पढ़ के भी भाई, मतलब वाह यार, टैलेंट है भाई. I have literally studied in the preparatory holidays. Never in my life, apart from 8th की history, Tipu Sultan and stuff, apart from that, I've never studied earlier than मार्च की प्रिपरेटरी हॉलीडेज़ या सितंबर की प्रिपरेटरी हॉलीडेज़. एंड उस प्रिपरेटरी हॉलीडेज़ में तो फिर 18 घंटे पढ़ रहे हैं, कंटिन्यूसली बैठे ही हुए हैं. घड़ी लिटरली सुबह के 8 से रात के 8 हो गए हैं, और मैं आई एम जस्ट सीइंग दैट ओके 12 hours passed and I'm स्टिल सिटिंग ऑन द सेम बेड, एंड उसके बाद वो कॉपी का पिछला पेज जो अब हम तब उस पेज पे थे और आज अभी मैं इस पेज पे हूँ वाइल लर्निंग. ओ माई गॉड, हाउ मच आई रिमेंबर. बट या दैट नाइन्थ स्टफ. एंड देन टेंथ में तो आई डिस्कवर्ड, एज आई सेड, दैट how to how to how to how to how to what how to study. So that was phenomenal. And and तेरा यार हूँ मैं on sub TV, and white sauce pasta, and oh god, white sauce pasta, oregano cake, and god knows what on this earth did I cook. I did blenders, I made yummy stuff also for myself. Of course, I am my own inspiration, a motivation. Like, I do it for myself, I cannot do it for anybody. अगर मुझे कहोगे कि इस बंदे के लिए बना दो, मैंने खुद के लिए बनाना है ऐसे मर मर के रो फिट के, तो मैंने औरों के लिए तो क्या ही बनाना है. and and then, like, it was very good. Like, I still remember in August 2020, my father was saying to me when I was like making when I was making what? When I was making a pizza. एक तो आई वॉज लाइक, मेरे को इतने चैलेंजेस पसंद थे कि मैंने बेस भी घर पे ही बनाना है. एंड ऑफ वॉट लिटल आई रिमेंबर, मे बी आई मेड द सॉस ऑल्सो एट होम, पिज़्ज़ा पास्ता सॉस, एंड चीज़ ऑल्सो एट होम. एंड आई मीन टॉपिंग्स तो होती हैं, तो वो भी मैंने, आई डेंट हैव ओवन बैक देन, सो लाइक वी डेंट हैव ओवन बैक देन, सो आई रियली वेडेड इन वो नमक एंड वो बड़ी कढ़ाई, आई गेस कढ़ाई कहते हैं, कढ़ाई में वो नमक एंड some katori onto it. And the channels I watched, oh my god, I am now YouTube pro for watching cooking channels. मुझे पता है किसकी डिश ओरिजिनल है, कौन बस एंड में मार्केट की दिखा देता है. एंड आई डोंट नो इफ आई शुड से इट और नॉट. लाइक, ठीक है भाई, वो 10 मिलियन पे है भाई, 1 करोड़ से ऊपर है. बट द मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक वंस आर कुकिंग शुकिंग भाई. और मेरे चटोरों, कैसे हो आप? यमन भैया और अंकल, आई डोंट नो, बट या, सो that is the most authentic channel. And yeah, and then I was studying from Vedantu 9th and 10th, Abhishek sir, Harsh sir, Shweta Roy ma'am, Shubham ma'am के बाद अंकना मैम आए, बट सॉरी अंकना मैम, आई डिड नॉट वॉच योर लेक्चर्स. मैंने तो शुभम मैम के ही देखे, एंड शुभम मैम छोड़कर चले गए. वो हार्ट ब्रेक, वो दर्द अभी भी होता है. मतलब दैट वाज वन थिंग भाई. When Shubham ma'am left, I've cried a lot. I am still, that was not done. And like, when Shubham ma'am left, Shubham ma'am was love. She was teaching amazingly. I never studied social science, so when I did, आई गेस मुझे मतलब गालियाँ ना पड़े, बट 10th का जोग्राफी का फर्स्ट चैप्टर रिसोर्सेज था, एक चैप्टर एग्रीकल्चर था, एक तो रोडवेज वाला कुछ ऐसा भी था. 4 थे, देर वर 4. तो आई मीन शुभा मैम वाला तो सीन मेड मी क्राई. फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन, ये यार, ये तो 9th का हो गया शायद, ये 10th का है. अरे 9th में था फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन, रशियन रेवोल्यूशन. फिर 10th में क्या था? राइज ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन यूरोप. ओह, आई रिमेंबर. ठीक है. एंड सिविक्स का तो मुझे याद नहीं. इको के मैंने कर लिए थे, मुझे अभी याद नहीं. एंड ठीक है, वो तो बहुत ही अच्छा था. अभिषेक सर फिज़िक्स, ठीक है. हर्ष सर मैथ्स ओके, आई टेल. हर्ष सर फिज़िक्स, अमृत सर बायो, अनुभा मैम फॉर केमिस्ट्री, अभिषेक सर फॉर फिज़िक्स, हिंदी नहीं पढ़ाते थे ये लोग, एंड इंग्लिश श्वेता रॉय मैम, and she was wonderful. She is wonderful. I mean, she has taught amazingly. And उसके बाद English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social also I covered. So Punjabi they didn't teach. There was a sir, sixth sir, and उन्हीं से पढ़ी है जितनी पढ़ी है. बाकी मेरे स्कूल वाले तो पंजाबी शेट, स्कूल के बारे में नहीं बुरा बोलना, ठीक है, मतलब स्कूल वाले लाइक Punjabi was the sixth subject, na, so they didn't pay much heed to it. Like there were periods like online classes की link send करते थे on Google Meet, but and 11th तो भाई मतलब 2020 हो गया, and then okay कहाँ से कहाँ चले गए. 2020 and 2021 was miles apart from 2020. 2022 was again miles apart. I mean, I cannot recognize if मतलब insane growth भाई, insane growth. 2020 वाला मी कैन नॉट थिंक द 2025 वाला मी कैन एवर एग्जिस्ट इन लाइफ. एक तो ये चीज़ है, थैंकफुली भगवान, आई हैव नेवर गिवन अ थॉट कि मुझे क्या करना है, और जितनी मैंने मेरी ज़िंदगी में कर ली उतनी तो भगवान ने वैसे भी तोड़ी दी कि भाई बेटा आप कैसे सोच सकते हो, मैं आपकी ज़िंदगी तहस नहस करूँगा, मैं आपको बताऊँगा कि आई एम हु आई एम एंड आई एम गॉड एंड यू शुड प्रे टू मी, लाइक आई डोंट नो. ओके, मेरा तो गॉड का कंसेप्ट ही हिल गया है भाई. लास्ट ईयर से जो गॉड का कंसेप्ट हिला कि गॉड है भी, लाइक is it something we pray to because we need hope? Because at the end we are only working. What is God like? ठीक है हम कह सकते हैं गॉड, बट एक पार्ट मेरे घर वालों ने इतना रिलीजियस सीरियल्स दिखा के मुझे बचपन में एक पूरा ऐसा कर दिया कि नहीं भगवान तो ऐसे तो बोल ही नहीं सकते आप. एंड एक पार्ट मेरा है जो something inside you breaks, so it does. So yeah, it does. And you outgrow the people around you, like that is one thing कि you outgrow people around you and then you need to find people जो आपकी अब इस स्टेज पे मैच कर रहे हैं, आपके उस आउटग्रोन स्टेज पे एज कम रिलेटिवली टू द पीपल जिनके साथ आप थे, तो वो करना है. एंड आई मीन गॉड का कंसेप्ट तो चलो बिल्कुल ही हिल चुका है मेरा. कंसेप्ट मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं अब गॉड का. स्क्रू गॉड हेल, मतलब नहीं यार, मुझे नहीं चाहिए भाई. जो बुरा करना है आप कर लो. यू हैव डन इनफ टू मी, यू हैव डन इनफ फॉर मी, टू मी, विद मी. आई डोंट नीड यू, आई डोंट नीड यू. Okay, I don't know, but yeah, I don't need you. Somewhere deep down, this is hurt only, maybe, but I don't need you. So, because if God was there, I could name a few YouTube channels. X, I am obviously saying it wrong, but if we type, then we might get the channel. XFCD had guy, something like that. And यार ठीक है, नहीं है भगवान भाई, भाड़ में जाओ गाओ यार, क्योंकि if God was there, there would be no corruption, there would be no corruption. वो तो बोल ही दिया है यार. फिर तो पनिश होते ना इविल लोग, नहीं हुए ना. फिर तो सच्चे लोगों के साथ बुरा ना होता ना. as with they say and preach people as they love to reinforce the ideas, तो नहीं होता ना ये सब कुछ. तो मतलब बुरे लोगों के साथ बुरा होता, तो यहाँ तो मतलब बुरे लोगों के साथ बुरा नहीं हो रहा है. प्रैक्टिकलिटी wise, like in practical ways, it is not happening. Everybody preaches, books preach, NCRT 1 first to 10th, I guess 12th also, up till 12th, preaches कि you need to be true, you need to be this, you need to be that. After you read the English literature, Hindi literature stories, the lessons you get are these, the questions they ask are these, and somewhere when you are learning them because you want to score good, you are learning, and a part of your brain when learns it stores also ना कहीं कि हाँ चलो, I should be this, I should be true, I should be kind, I should be helpful, I should be giving, that is kind only, but I should be like morally good person, and कि I should not betray anybody, I should not tell lies to parents, ये है वो है. But in the practical world, the moment you are kind with someone, people assume कि ये तो पागल है, इसको मज़ा उठाते हैं. Very. so so people are, so in practical ways in real world you cannot be this kind and empathetic person. I mean, empathy is different, but being stupid slash naive, it's completely different. It's upon you ki you need to use your brain, because just by using your heart, you cannot go ahead. You cannot go ahead, and you cannot. I don't know. I just don't know. And maybe be authentic. Maybe, because I'm still learning if to be or not to be, because seen people done with world, done with stuff, learned lessons, taught very harshly, but learned bhaiya, learned, not repeating mistakes which I did when I did what I did. uh, Also, yeah, I think it's a long video. I didn't want to close because it's after months. So, and bracket, I'm making it for myself. My purpose mainly is to create it for myself and upload it for myself. It is not for pleasing people or giving a damn about people. So I needed to live the moments which are alive in me, and if somehow they are pushed back by the newer experiences, then I can relive them by this video, because I hopefully it is enthusiastic, it has brought me to almost cry, so it's good for myself. So, okay, परसों पापा का बर्थडे था and we enjoyed. I don't know if we enjoyed, we slept, but yeah, I mean, we ate a cake. Ate a cake, not the entire cake. And the dinner was North Indian thali. Yeah, Gopal, काफ़ी टाइम बाद, काफ़ी 8-9 महीने बाद, तो गुड. एंड कल क्या खाया? Wow, why am I putting this on a YouTube video? Yeah, been a journey. Thank you for watching if anybody did, and bye. And hopefully, I'd be posting soon. Okay, bye.